Let's break down what the combustible gas detector is telling us on this line graph. On the left is no gas at all, just breathable air. On the right, 100% gas, meaning no breathable air at all. We'll use methane as our example because that's what our monitors are calibrated to. Methane has a lower explosive limit of 4.4%, at which point if there's an ignition source, there will be an explosion. It has an upper explosive limit of 17%. After that point, it's too rich to sustain an explosion. The only area our Qrae3 displays is the area between 0% and 4.4%, the lower explosive limit. Let's take a closer look at what our Qrae3 is showing us on a call from 0 to 4.4. Our Qrae shows 0% up to 100% of the lower explosive limit, which is 4.4% in ambient air. So let's say your monitor shows you 18% when you walk into a room, not to be confused with 4 times the lower explosive limit, but it's 18% of 4.4, which is about 0.8% in the ambient air, which is too lean for an explosion, but definitely an actionable amount and requires further investigation.